Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at how to make money specifically with Warrior Plus, and this is a platform I've got a little bit of experience on. So you can see over here I've withdrawn over $48,000. I've currently got this available in my balance to withdraw, and I've also got pending transactions over here, and I'll quickly refresh this for you so you can see that this is indeed my account. I'm not fibbing to you. So there we go, that's refreshed. So this is my balance. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to make money with this. I'll show you how to find offers. I'll show you how you can take part in affiliate competitions. And I'll also share with you some tips and hints of how you can drive traffic to those affiliate offers. So let's jump into this and I'll walk you through this step by step. Okay, so I'm over inside of Warrior Plus and I'll just give you a quick breakdown of how this looks, but then we'll dive into this about, how to actually make money with this. And I'm not just going to talk about Launchjacking, I'll share with you some other methods. But inside of here, we've got the best selling products of today. So you've got top products for today and yesterday, 7 days and 30 days. So this is like a snapshot of some of the products. And then you've got these over here, so you can go marketplace and all of these. But if we just go up to the top here, we've got the marketplace, we've got the home, the top products. You can go filter products by categories and then you get alerts and deal of the day. Now basically this deal of the day, it means it's the product which has sold the most copies that day or the previous day, and Warrior Plus has awarded it the deal of the day. So if I click on here, I'll just show you what this looks like. You can also go ahead and see every single one. I think this goes back to, I think it's about 2 months really. And you can go ahead and, yeah, look. So this is results 11 to 20 of over 3,000, and it gives you a bit of a breakdown about the product and what it is, and if you click on read more, it will show you a bit more about this. So what was awarded deal of the day. So this is affiliate stores with free traffic and sales in 60 seconds. What's a nonsense? But if I scroll down here, you can go through and have a read about the product and what this is. Now over on Warrior Plus, you get lots of these products, affiliate stores, free traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It sounds great, doesn't it? The reality is, it's just not going to happen. Lots of people will promote these products for 60 seconds, because everyone's trying to earn fast cash. You're not going to, being absolutely honest with you. Well, if I come back over here, we'll go to affiliate. Let's go to the affiliate dashboard and I'll just show you around so you can see how it looks. So you can see so far today, I've earned $143. Yesterday it was $140, the last 7 days and the last 30 days. Now, I don't really focus too much time and effort on here. I focus on recurring products or evergreen products, and we'll come on to that in a second. And you'll also see as well, I've actually made a sale here of one of my own products. So I've got a YouTube course, and some people asked if there could be an affiliate for that. So I put it on Warrior Plus so that they could earn. You can see on here, I paid out $46 to the affiliate who sent an offer over there. So these sales here, you can see it's broken down between vendor sales and affiliate sales. But yesterday as an affiliate I earned 140, today as an affiliate 46, and in the last 7 days as an affiliate 434. So when you're coming over to Warrior Plus, we'll come up here to affiliate and you go to offers. Now on here you can find basically any product on here, and if you just scroll down on the left hand side here, it will tell you what the product is, it will tell you when it launched, how many copies it's sold. If you scroll up here you can see the conversion rate, so it's got a 20% conversion rate. Visitor value is $6, the average sale, and it'll also give you a refund rate. So you can see at a snapshot some of these products on here, and you can see lots more on, lots more information about this. And if you click any of these, it will give you more information about this. And if you want to promote one, you simply click on request. And then what happens is, in fact, I'll just show you. Let me just click on here so you can see. This opens up here, and then you click on request approval, like so. And then in here, you would put in some notes, and be honest. So like if you've never promoted a product over on Warrior Plus, you'd simply put in here, how you plan to market the product, how you plan to share this, and how you essentially will drive traffic to this. Always put in some information in here, and then once you click on request offer, this will go over to, in this example, this Brian Winters here. Now, once you've found a product that you want to promote like this, you can come onto the page here, like this one here, and it will tell you a bit more about this. So if I click on funnel map, you can see more, you can see more about this product here. So this is known as a funnel. So this is the main page. So you'd send traffic to this page here, and then look at this. There is an upsell. There's also a downsell. There's another upsell. There's another downsell. Upsell, downsell, upsell. I don't like these products, to be honest with you. But this happens a lot over on Warrior Plus. So what happens here is you can earn some decent money from this because you're sending people into a front end product for say $10, and then literally you can see here, look, you can make up to $477 per click for sending people over here. Then you've got these JV competitions and lots more. But this is a bit of a backwards way of doing this. So if you wanted to go ahead and find out all of the products which are about to launch on Warrior Plus, you can use this website over here, and it's called Launchjacking.com. Now if you scroll down here, on the left hand side you've got big launches, and on the right hand side you've got all launches, and this is normally where you'd find these Warrior Plus products. So if you scroll down here you can have a look at them, and again a quick snapshot, it will tell you the product creator, the name of the course, how much it will cost, and your commission. So you can earn some pretty good commissions, and a lot of the time on Warrior Plus you can earn 100%. So like this one here, it's $13, you will earn 100%. This one here, this product factory, $17. Again, you will earn 100%. There's lots of these on Warrior Plus where you earn these 100%. So if I click on this one here, so let's go with art, for example. If we come down here, it tells us a bit more about this. But you see here where it says JV page. I'm going to click on here, and it will take you over to what is known as the JV page, or the joint venture partner. Now, if you come down here, it will show you a bit more about the product. It will give you the highlights over here, the headlines about this. So, newbies can drive traffic at zero cost, thousands in prize money paid instantly, proofs and real-time case studies. If you play the video, it'll tell you a bit more information about this. And then you come down here, it will tell you more about, what this is all about. So if you scroll down here, you can see when the launch starts, 8th of Feb, but when it ends, and then keep coming down, so it tells you all about this. So this here is a push button app that gets free traffic around. Free traffic? I don't know. Okay, it's a traffic generating app at the click of just one button. This is using, what is this, free viral traffic instantly. Traffic starts flowing with a few clicks of your mouse by tapping into viral social traffic from Instagram, etc, etc. So you can go ahead and find out a bit more about this, and then look, here is the funnel, and you earn 50% commissions throughout the entire funnel. So you send someone here, the product costs $17. If they purchase this, you earn 50%. Then they go on to this here, what is known as an OTA, or one-time offer. This is $39. You can earn 50%. Or if somebody doesn't buy that, then guess what? There's a downsell. So you see this here, downsell 1. So instead of it being $39, it's now costing them $29. Then after that, they're on to this one here, OTA 2. And again, downsell OTA 3, downsell OTA 4, downsell 5. I mean, look, this is just insane. 6 one-time offers for this product. But you can see on here, if you're sending traffic to this, you can potentially earn a lot of money by sending people into this here, look, and it tells you about the upgrades, the done for yous, and lots more information on here. And then here we've also got the affiliate contest. So look here, we're hosting an affiliate contest based on total sales. So if you was to go ahead and market this product here, and you sell the most copies, you can earn an additional 1,500, or depending on where you come, you can earn more money on here. And then you'll normally see this on here, do we reciprocate? Yes, this is basically aimed at other sellers over on Warrior Plus. If they have a launch coming up, then guess what? If you promote this course for these guys, then they will go ahead and, promote your course. And that's why you see lots of these courses pretty much all over, really. So if I scroll down here, you can find more information about this here. But you simply click on request your Warrior Plus affiliate link here. And then you go over to Warrior Plus, you get your link, and then you can start sharing that link and, hopefully earn some commissions. So this method here, this is something known as Launchjacking. So if we go back over here, I'll just show you this. So over on Munchai, you can find all of these products which are launching. And then what happens is, so like Art Flair, Gabrielle, Dennis, Mark Barrett, and there's lots more of these guys on here. Branson Tay's on here as well, and there's lots more. And what will happen is they've got these products that are launching, and all the affiliate marketers, they will go ahead and email their list about, you know, this wonderful new product where you just click a button and you can get money and traffic and all the rest of it. And then people, instead of just buying the product straight away, they will go onto Google and YouTube and they will do a, you know, a product name / review. So like this one here, for example, they type in product factory review, and then let's just find one that's just launched recently. So let's go on to Warrior Plus. Let's just go with this one here. What's this? Traffic Crush. So we'll go with this. Traffic Crush review. And look, you can see here, look, Traffic Crush review, videos on YouTube, another video on YouTube, another one here. So basically, if you just go into one of these, and these reviews are really simple to do. You can go ahead and create, you know, a free blog or a free website on like Google sites or Wix or GoDaddy or wherever, absolutely for free. And on here, they'll basically look, Traffic Crush review, your all-in-one profit system. And most of this information here that they've got on here, they've got this literally from the sales page or the JV doc. So if we go back over here, let's just go back down to that Art Flair one. Come further down to here, click on the JV page, open this up. You can see you can grab lots of this here. So this, for example, would be your headline over on your blog, and you've got lots more stuff on here, and you've got email swipes. So you see here, look, here are the email swipes that are all going to be done for you. There's lots more information that you can find on these JV pages here. But people are coming onto Munchai, they're looking for products which are about to launch in the marketplace in like a week or a few days from now. They then create these really simple articles here, where most of this here is literally just taken from the JV page. And then down here, excuse me, down here, they'll list some features about the product. They'll have a link here, so if I click this, it'll go over to Warrior Plus. And then normally they throw in some bonuses, which are, look, you get these bonuses. So basically these are additional products and courses which you can get for free if you buy the product. And I mean, again, this looks like someone's putting together a lot of bonuses for this one. And you can see you get demo videos and lots more. So this is one way that you can do this, marketing with Warrior Plus. You go over to Munchai, you find products which are literally going to be launching on the marketplace, like this one here. You go to the JV page, you have a look at this, find out some information about this. If you're happy to promote this, you click on up here, you click on affiliate link. That will take you over to Warrior Plus, and you request to promote this. Once you've been accepted, you then go ahead and you can start looking at creating blog articles like this, whereby you're literally sending people over to Warrior Plus. You can create YouTube videos, you can go on Facebook and share it in groups, you can go over on Quora, find questions and answer them that way. Twitter, you know, Twitter, Pinterest, there's hundreds of ways that you can drive traffic to an affiliate offer. Now, one thing what I do over on Warrior Plus is I don't go ahead and take part in these product reviews anymore. I haven't done one for a long time, genuinely because most of the products, they're all very similar and they're all about these fast and easy ways to make money. And the reality is, it's just not going to work. So what I tend to focus on Warrior Plus now is I focus on products which are evergreen, and I also focus on products which I A, use myself, and B, I know that if someone purchases this and goes through the training and sets it up properly, then they can earn some pretty decent money from doing so. So what I would say to you is, over on Warrior Plus, don't just go with this Launchjacking method. Look for products which, you know, will actually be beneficial to people. It can help people, and try them out yourself. Now, one product which I've put it over on my homepage here, and I'll show you this. If we're going to make money, earn at home, I've created a blog article recently about a product, because this is something else I would recommend to you. So you see this here, this make money with automated websites. So if I click on here, this is a blog article that I put together, and it walks through this process of how you can make money with automated websites. Now, I bought this product myself. In fact, I'll just show you the product so you can see. So if we go up here, go to purchase history. I actually bought this. When did I buy this? I bought this for here. You see, I bought this product here for $97 myself. I bought it, I put it to practice, and I then literally, once I was happy with this, I then started sharing content around this. And now if anybody purchases this product here from this blog article, then guess what? I earn an affiliate commission. But what I'm not doing here is, I mean, this product that I'm promoting and sharing here, it's called YT Evolution, so YouTube Evolution. But I haven't done a review on this. I haven't created, a blog article about this or a review video. And the reason being is that would literally have a shelf life of a week maximum, and then that product will be gone because nobody will be going ahead and searching for, YT Evolution review or product review or anything like that. So that is one thing I would share and recommend with you is instead of just going ahead and focusing on Launchjacking and, spending time jumping from one product to another all of the single time, find a couple of products that you're happy with and then find the angle which you can market and share. Because as I say here, this blog article here now this work has been done, this is going to bring me in a passive income for hopefully years to come because, make money with automated websites. People will be finding this on Google, they'll be finding this over on YouTube, then they come onto here and I'm sharing with them a strategy to make money. This doesn't scream straight away, I'm trying to sell you or I'm trying to pitch you. I'm showing here that, this is a method. I've trialed this method. I've used this method myself. Here are my results. Here is a video of me walking you through this. And look, if you want to go ahead and, purchase this, this is how you go through this. So step 1, get hosting. Step 2, purchase the software, etc, etc. And that is something I would highly recommend for you to make more money with Warrior Plus. Find a product which is pretty good. Once you've got that product, create content around this without actually specifically trying to sell the product. Don't go down this review page or, these review blog articles. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can make some good money doing this, but if you create an evergreen content around a product or a piece of software that you found on Warrior Plus, it will A, save you a lot more time, and B, you can earn a hell of a lot more money with this instead of literally jumping from one product to another over on sites like munchai.com. So that's just a few suggestions for you over on Warrior Plus. And look, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, come over to my blog and just go to Make Money Affiliate Marketing. There's lots of resources on here for you. I've got free affiliate marketing workshops. I've got blog articles, walking you through numerous different ways of making money with affiliate marketing. You can see there's articles on here. And if you want my free affiliate marketing course, go in the description box down below. You can get that absolutely for free. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. But thanks for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.